Taking life in stride, a guide to staying calm and confident. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, take life in stride. This expression is a gem in the English language, encapsulating a powerful approach to life's ups and downs. So, if you've ever wondered how to stay calm and confident amidst life's challenges, you're in the right place. Take life in stride is an idiomatic expression that means to deal with life's problems, challenges, and changes calmly and without getting upset or stressed. It suggests accepting and managing whatever comes your way with grace and resilience. The word, stride, here is key, as it refers to a long, decisive step, symbolizing progress and the ability to move forward confidently. Why is it important to take life in stride? This approach helps maintain mental and emotional health, improves our ability to solve problems, and keeps us moving forward. It's about embracing flexibility and resilience, allowing us to face uncertainties with a positive outlook and adapt to changes with ease. Taking life in stride isn't always easy, but it's certainly achievable. Here are a few tips. Stay positive. Focus on the good in any situation. Be adaptable. Embrace change instead of resisting it. Learn from experiences. Every challenge is an opportunity to grow. Keep a sense of humor. Laughter can lighten your burdens. Practice mindfulness. Stay present and grounded in the moment. Let's look at some examples. If you're stuck in traffic and running late, instead of getting frustrated, listen to your favorite music or an audiobook. When facing unexpected work challenges, instead of panicking, break down the problem into manageable steps. Taking life in stride is about navigating life's journey with a calm and positive mindset. It's a skill that can be cultivated with practice and patience. Remember, it's not about avoiding challenges but about how we respond to them. We hope this video has been insightful and encourages you to take life's ups and downs in stride. Stay confident, stay calm, and keep learning. See you in our next video.